The day started like any other. First we had breakfast. Then everybody had to go potty. This was followed by hiding underneath the couch. And our usual roughhousing and play session. But on this day, we had a new adventure. Our first wagon ride, our first car ride, and our first vet visit. We waited and waited and waited. Jagi was so patient. And then the vet came in to look us all over and give us our shots. He listened to our hearts and then gave everybody a vaccination and flea medication. Everybody did great and no one even cried when they got their shots. But we were pretty tuckered out when we came home. Everyone collapsed on the floor, ready for a good night's sleep, to start it all over again the next day. Well, maybe all except for the vet visit.